Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be cleaning the spark arrestor on this Honda inverter generator. So this is a Honda EU2200i, and I love using this generator. I use it probably at least once or twice a week, and it's not even a year old yet, and I already have over 170 hours on it. So it's about time we clean the spark arrestor, and we're also going to be changing the gasket, because you can't reuse these gaskets after you use them once, for the muffler. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove these 4 screws, and that's going to let this back panel come off, and that is going to expose our muffler. We got our 4 screws undone, so that lets us be able to pop our back cover off, and now we have our muffler that's exposed. And what we're going to do is we're going to take these 10mm bolts out next. Okay, so we got our bolts undone, and just a quick tip, remember the longest one goes on the bottom. Now we can take our muffler off, and now you can see here, this is where our new gasket will go, is right here on the exhaust header. It mounts in between the header and the muffler, so that's where our new gasket will go. Alright, so here we have our muffler, and all we're going to do is stick our finger in there, and boom, there's our spark arrestor. Oh, see if we can get it to focus. There we go. Now this one doesn't look terrible. You can still see the individual squares and stuff, but there is definitely carbon building up on it. So we're going to get that all cleaned up. Now here I just have a parts washer that I like to use, and I have a mixture of purple power and Dawn dish soap and water in here, and then I'm just going to use this brush and give it a good scrub and see if we can get most of that carbon back off of it. Okay, as you can see, it's a little more silver looking. I was able to get quite a bit of that carbon back off. So now we're going to reinstall. So simply, you just put your spark arrestor right back in the hole you got it out of. So now we're going to work on trying to get this old gasket off of here, because it is like, there we go, got it off. So what happens with these gaskets, I'll try to show you, is they get crushed, and when they get crushed they form a airtight seal. That way, so you don't have any exhaust gases leaking out when it transitions from the header tube to your muffler. So here's the new one, and I'll show you how to install it. This is how I'm going to install it, is I'm going to place it here, and then I'm going to send the bolts through that actually mount the muffler, and then that will allow me to know that this is on good. Alright, so we're going to take this muffler, take that, then we're going to take our 2 shorter screws, because those are the ones that go in the 2 upper holes, and see here I'm just making sure that I get my gasket in there, and then we're going to go ahead and start these with our fingers so we don't cross thread them. Alright, got those 2 started. Then we'll go ahead and put this bottom one in. There we go, it grabbed. Alright, we got those on all good and tight. Now we're going to go ahead and replace our oh, that's upside down. We're going to re-put our back plastic on, and then our 4 screws. And just like that, you're done. Nothing too difficult here. And just like that, you're all done cleaning your spark arrestor. All I would say is if you're having problems with your generator not running good or making enough power, or even having a hard time getting it started, and you haven't cleaned out your spark arrestor, I would take a look at that, because if that gets clogged up, then that will cause too much engine back pressure. It won't let the exhaust flow how it should. But besides that, it's an easy fix, easy clean. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and there'll be more useful videos to come. Thanks again.